In this video, I want to show you our small Orgonite pyramid. We sell pyramids in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and giant. The small Orgonite pyramid, so all of our pyramids are made with extremely fine iron powder and very high quality carbon-based epoxy. For Orgonite, you want an organic material and an inorganic material. So for the inorganic material, we use really high quality iron powder, and for the organic material, we use carbon-based epoxy. All of our pyramids are sleek, they're dark gray, they have a metallic shine, they're very, very dense, and they're made using the original recipe for Orgonite developed by the inventor of Orgonite, Karl Hans Welz. And I have a pretty big hand. None of our pyramids have visible layers, so you can see how solid and dense it looks. And we think that's important because, you know, the more layers there are, we believe that makes it more powerful, makes a piece of Orgonite and our pyramids more powerful at accumulating orgone. So when you see visible layers, you can tell how many layers there are. In this case, because you can't see the layers, it means the iron powder and the epoxy is very, very tightly bound. So in essence, this is thousands and thousands of layers. So and we've actually worked with a material science PhD to perfect the look and the feel and the composition of the pyramids. You know, the purpose of each pyramid is to accumulate orgone, and positive orgone from the area, from the surrounding environment, and pass it on to the area. And we think that when you have no visible layers, it's much, much more effective at doing that. So even though this is a small pyramid, we believe a pyramid this size is much more effective than a pyramid with visible layers, even if it's, you know, the size of the giant or even bigger. So we think this is extremely powerful. Even though it's small but mighty, and it's a great starting point if you want to get into Orgonite and into life force technology in general. Again, this is made using the exact recipe for Orgonite, the original recipe for Orgonite developed by Karl Hans Welz, the inventor of Orgonite. So this is a great, what you can do with this. In our pyramid sets, we call this the anchor pyramid. So we put it on the device, and the other pyramids are linked to this, and it links the device to the pyramid set. So we call this the anchor pyramid. It's got a nice felt bottom, by the way. So if you have a pyramid set, you will use this. You know, you can put it on the generator. I'll talk about that in other videos. You can also, you know, this is small enough to fit in your pocket. You can put it, you know, pretty much anywhere in the house, in your car. But this is a small but mighty pyramid, and you can see how it fits next to the pyramids we have of other sizes.